To organize your day-to-day activities well, simply sync your calendar from the setup guide here on the dashboard. Or you can navigate to Profile icon, followed by My Account and Calendar Sync. Here, click on Connect Your Account to connect your Google or Microsoft account. Once the account is successfully connected, navigate to the Calendar Sync to synchronize your activities and organize your important meetings right within Salesmate. In case you have more than one email already configured, simply choose which one you would like to connect with the Salesmate account, and you're good to go. For all the meetings to be booked, a new activity gets created in the way you want. You can also set the type of notification you would like to get either via email or simply a pop-up. Setting up all these in Salesmate helps you in avoiding duplication, as you do not need to manage them at multiple places then.